Welcome to PT Fujita Indonesia, a lead forging company and automotive components manufacturing industry, strategically located in the Karawang International Industrial City. Located in integrated industrial area and just a short distance from Jakarta, PT Fujita Indonesia benefits from excellent access to distribution channels. Founded in 2002, PT Fujita Indonesia began its journey of innovation and dedication to manufacturing components for the motorcycle and automotive industries. Drawing inspiration from our founder, Mr. Tasaku Fujita, our company has consistently embraced the philosophy of Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Continued by the second-generation CEO, Mr. Seisaku Fujita. With a strong vision, he is the person who successfully created the foundational basis for all the companies within the Fujita Group. In response to growing demand, we established Plant 2 in 2006 and Plant 3 in 2010. These expansions demonstrate our commitment to meeting customer needs with enhanced production capacity and stringent quality standards. Our facility spans 39,478 square meters of land, with a factory area of 23,407 square meters. Currently, the commissioner of PT Fujita Indonesia is Mr. Tetsuo Fujita. He always brings a spirit of innovation and high dedication to advancing the company. At PT Fujita Indonesia, quality is our top priority. We implement rigorous quality management standards at every stage of production, from raw material selection to final product inspection. Utilizing state-of-the-art technology and automated monitoring systems, we ensure that every product meets the highest expectations of our customers. Our product range includes vital components for both two-wheel and four-wheel vehicles, such as connecting rods, crankshafts, rotors, hubs, flanges, and more. Our customers include Yamaha, Suzuki, two-wheel and four-wheel, Kawasaki, Yamaha Electric, and many other companies to whom we supply forging parts. Under the leadership of Mr. Keishi Fujita as President Director, we continuously innovate and adapt to the evolving global market. PT Fujita Indonesia takes pride in our achievements, receiving numerous rewards from our loyal customers. These accolades serve as concrete evidence of our dedication to providing the best service and high-quality products. We use selected raw materials with high precision. We use raw materials in the form of round bars, sourced from various manufacturers in several countries. These include Japan, South Korea, China, India, as well as local material from Jatim Steel. Fujita has a group of companies. This is our group of companies, with Fujita Iron Works located in Kakegawa, Japan, serving as the parent company. And other companies in this group include Fuji Metal Mold, Daiwa Forging, and Fujita Vietnam. In this factory, we create our own molds for the forging process. The engineering team is involved from 2D and 3D drawings to the programming for mold creation. Currently, we also have a forging simulation application to analyze the process virtually. In the hot forging process, we have two main processes: forging press and forging hammer. Both processes involve using preheated raw materials with a temperature of around 1200 degrees Celsius. For forging press, we utilize air and electric energy, while forging hammer is more reliant on air energy. These are the products we manufacture using forging hammer machines. We can produce various types of products according to customer requests. These are the products we manufacture using forging press machines. We have presses ranging from 1,600 tons to our largest one at 3,000 ton. This is the main machine we use to process our products. After the forging process, the products move to the next stages according to customer specifications, which include heat treatment, machining, grinding, and finally, the finished goods stage. After the hot forging process, the products move on to the next stages, with each item's process flow varying according to customer specifications. We have numerous facilities that support this production process. Coining process. The magnetic process to check for cracks. Heat treatment carboizing. Induction tempering. Heat treatment normalizing. Heat treatment quenching. Machining. Grinding. Honing. PT Fujita Indonesia. Forging your path to a better future. Join us as we continue to advance and prosper together, driving progress for Indonesia and the world. Thank you for your attention.